Today I'm showing you how to make a really cute bear, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands. And for our Valentine's Day bear, you're going to need a pink 260. And for this, we're going to make a flower petal base. So just make a series of loop twists of about 3 to 4 fingers. So if you aren't familiar with making a flower petal base, just check up my video here, and that shows you how to make a balloon daisy, which is pretty much the same thing. In fact, it is the same thing. So I'm going to make a base of perhaps 6 flower petals. Okay, and there's my last one. Okay, and I'm just going to twist that lot together. Just arrange the loops and there you've got your base. And whilst you're here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and activate that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And you're very welcome to join me in Balloon Artworks Academy, which is my closed Facebook group, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Just take that nozzle of your white 350 and wrap that into the base a few times. Take a 350 in rows with a tail of 5 fingers or so, and then twist off a bubble of about 3 to 4 fingers and just pinch twist that, okay? And then make another bubble of about 3 to 4 fingers and pinch twist that as well, okay? So you've got 2 pinch twists. Give your rose balloon a squeeze. Take your base and just twist off a bubble that's about 6 fingers or so, and then wrap that into those 2 pinch twists there. Okay. Give your white balloon a squeeze and make a bubble of about 3 fingers or so, and then twist off another bubble of about 3 fingers, 3-4 fingers, pinch twist that, and twist off another bubble of about 3 fingers and pinch twist that as well. Okay, we can break this off and just tie that. Okay, so this is what you've got, and trim off the excess. So this is what you've got at the moment, okay? Give your balloon a squeeze and twist off a bubble that is about 5 fingers or so, followed by a 3-finger bubble, pinch twist that, followed by another bubble of about 4 fingers, followed by a 3-finger bubble, followed by a 3-finger bubble, pinch twist that. Okay, and then with what's left, we want to make another bubble to match this one. Give everything a stretch if you're fully inflated, and then just twist off a bubble that matches this first one. Okay, and then wrap that into the neck here. And then you can break this off. Let it down, wrap it round a few times and tie. So this is what you've got at the moment. It all looks pretty weird. Take a 260, give it a squeeze, and take that tip end, that nozzle end, and just wrap it into the base. Okay, and this is where you're going to start to see this design coming together. So you want to twist off a bubble that's about 5 or 6 fingers, and then twist off another bubble a little bit shorter, perhaps about 4 or 5 fingers, and then wrap that into the neck area. And then on the other side, you want to twist a bubble to match this one. And then twist another bubble to match this one. And then twist that bubble into your base. Okay, and you can break the rest off. And then you want to position those pinch twists so they're over our bear's tummy. And you want to move this arrangement into the middle of the head. Push that into the middle of the head. Okay, that's what you've got. Next, take a bit of white 260 and just wrap that into the neck. And make a loop of about 5 or 6 fingers, and then just twist that there and wrap that into the neck. And you can discard the rest. Take a little bit of black 160 and we want to make some eyes, so we're just going to make 2 bubbles of about 3 fingers, and we're going to bring those together, and then with that tail we're just going to pinch twist those. Break off the end. I do just like to tie a knot with these. Okay. Next I've got the tip of a 350 spring lilac. It's about 3 fingers or so, and just take that end, thread it through the loop, okay, and then just take that back and pull that tail through the head into the 2 pinch twists and just wrap around that bubble at the back. Okay. So he's finally starting to look like a bear. And then take your eyes and just position them here, and again pull that tail back through the head and just pull that back into those 2 pinch twists. Wrap the tail around the back a few times and just position those there. So it's entirely up to you where you go from here. There's lots you can do to embellish this design and add little extras. So I'm going to be looking forward to seeing what you do. But here's a few things that I do. So take a 160, I'm using wildberry, and I'm just going to make a loop of about 4 fingers or so. And then I'm just going to pass that through. And I'm just going to shop twist that loop a little bit. Okay. And then take your sculpture and just pass that wildberry, just pass it underneath the pinch twist at the back so that your bow is sticking out on the other side of this pinch twist. Okay, and then we want to make another bubble to match this one. So another 4 finger loop, and then I'm just going to bring the rest of this 160 down into the base, wrap it into the base and back up the other side. Okay, and then twist off a bubble and just wrap that into the neck. You can break this off, and if you prefer you can actually push the tummy and the bottom part of your 160 behind these legs a little bit. Just bring the legs forward. I've got 2 little hearts. I've just put the tiniest amount of air in there, and I'm just going to take that and just pressure fit it into the bear's hand there. Got a really cute little bear for Valentine's Day.